Do you hear me? You have one more shot, then you're out of here. Well, good morning. I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life, and welcome to my channel. So today, I wasn't going to do a tiny tidy, but then I realized, I think I promised you all in some videos that I was going to do a tiny tidy today. So I have been on the road traveling back home from our house in Vegas. I am now back in California, safe and sound. Completely not ultimately unpacked yet, but I decided I'm going to do a tiny tidy, joining my friend, the hostess with the mostest, Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. And all of my fellow friends and YouTubers, hashtag Team Tiny Tidy, located in my description box where you can click on the playlist. So let's get started, shall we? Hey, not too shabby for an impromptu tiny tidy. Oh, and I'd like to give a special shout out to my friend Devin, who actually got me to do this today. Thank you, Devin. Cheers, Betty. Go check out his YouTube or go follow him on Instagram. All right, this is no surprise. This is my closet. It's been through a lot. It still looks pretty good. It's not cluttered. I did a full declutter over here, so looks good. I don't have a whole lot of clothes, but it is warming up here in the Northern California, so I think it's time to take out some of, the fall clothes, I think, and then maybe see what I can maybe declutter out of here. And I think it's just time. How many of you do you take out your fall and winter and then put it somewhere else in your house, in a storage or whatever? Do you do that for seasons? Let me know in the comments down below. So, like I said, just came back from Vegas and I have my tank top. So stuff like this should be in my closet right now, especially the temperature is going to hit like 100 by the end of this week. Oh my. Alright, let me start taking some of this stuff out. I don't know, I kind of like it, but I don't wear it. That's the problem. Nope. I wear these two arms. Alright. These ones and this one. These ones. Alright, so here are some of my summer shirts, and that can go right up here. That can't be all my summer shirts. I don't know. I have to go check one more drawer. And of course my capri pants. And since I'm here, I might as well tidy up this area here. I have some jeans I gotta put on the hanger. Let's see. A shawl that should be up on my shelf and not just right there. But like I said, you know, like when you're traveling, you just toss things. Well, that's what this happened. I just tossed it right here. And I have this bag here so that when there are clothes that I just don't want to wear anymore, I was going to put those in here. So this is just as a reminder for myself to declutter. Alright, now I'm in our other guest room. And I place some of my summer. Look at this. This is all I have in here. This is a sweater. So I'm going to place all of my fall and winter. Why, yes. There's always an earplug in drawers, right? Okay, so this is one of my summer tank tops. So I'm going to add that to my closet. And then I'm going to place all of the rest of the fall and the winter stuff back in here. I really decluttered these drawers before. I'll try to link that down below. Oh yes, here's a top that I just don't grab anymore. It has really short sleeves, but I don't like how this looks. It makes me look like a square on the top of my body. I just don't like that. So I think I'm going to go ahead and donate that, even though it's only been worn like maybe twice, and that is it. It's really pretty. It's Style & Company. And then this set is my mom's matching set. She doesn't want me to give that up. This is, I wonder if I can give this one away. I accidentally ordered 2 of these on Etsy. Look, it says, baking is my superpower. And when I was opening up the package, look what I did by accident. But it's a brand new t-shirt. I don't know. Maybe someone can put a patch on that. It's really cute. I know I'm not going to wear it, so I think I'm going to donate those 2. And then I have my shorts. Ooh, I have my other tank top. I like to wear this one when I garden in the backyard, so that's definitely going into my closet. And then I have 2 shorts here that I need to put. Oh, here's a capri in my shorts. I don't know why I have that song in my head, but you know that, who wears short shorts? This gal doesn't. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put those in my dresser. And then this tank top. You know what? I've only worn this maybe once, twice. Let me see if I wear this. We will see. If I don't, I'm going to go ahead and donate it. But I'm going to give this summer one more shot. Do you hear me? You have one more shot. Then you're out of here. Okay, I have to ask my mom what she wants to do with that. These are just too warm. Oh man, these, yeah, I can't wear these at night. It's just too hot. Definitely will keep someone else warm, but it's just too warm for me. Alright, these are ready to go along with the other bags of donations that are sitting next to my front door. But someone will enjoy wearing these. Okay, and then now these are into the drawer where I had all my summer stuff. So everything fits all in one drawer. How awesome is that? Remember, check out the playlist in the description box.